Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Yes.
I don't need you. Hi y'all, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and any other video you want to like, and make sure you hit that notification bell. So today we are doing the sisters idea.
It's not our idea.
Sisters whatever.
It's the 5.
She wanted to do this challenge and I was down with it.
Yeah. The 5-minute makeup challenge. So we're kind of making up our own rules here. We're going to do 5 things that we absolutely have to use. So we have to use a foundation. We have to use an eyeshadow. We have to use a lipstick. We have to use a setting powder.
We need to write this down because I don't even remember all this.
And we have to use, what was a highlighter. So, you can add what else you want, but you got 5 minutes. So, we got our timer, and we're going to set it for 5 minutes. I'm nervous.
Hold on. Do you have a sharpener?
So, at the end, you guys are going to tell us in the 5 minutes who you guys are. You guys Team Jasmine or Team Jade? We're going to see who looks better. So, be sure you guys comment down below.
Vote for me,
all right.
we know who the real haters are.
Okay, girl. All right, 5 minutes is starting now.
Fuck.
Bitch about to kill shit real quick.
So we have to use makeup.
Yep, definitely gotta use makeup. We have to use a foundation, if that's what you're trying to get to. And we have to use a...
I can't do this when I'm hot.
Well, me over here, y'all. Y'all see this? Foundation on. Alright?
This is contour all the way.
Oh, God. I'm looking really blotchy, though. Alright. Next, I'm about to slide in these eyebrows. Something I know I should not even try to do. But here we go.
She's really talking. And I'm over here thinking, what the fuck am I supposed to be doing?
Oh, God. So I didn't want to do this. Sorry, guys.
What's the time?
3 minutes?
We have 3 minutes left.
Yes.
We have 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Don't play with me, Jasmine.
So I'm about to get started on my eyeshadow. Using Morphe, guys. You are really about to look a fool. And I'm going to go in with the... Y'all don't give a damn. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What the fuck is going on? Oh, my God. This is not going to be good. It's okay. We're about to kill it.
Okay, so what else? All right,
man, you didn't listen to the rules.
I told you we need to write it down.
You need a eyeshadow.
Do you have any?
You see all these eyeshadows in front? Ah! Oh my God. You fucking bitch. I told you to put everything in front of you that you needed.
I did it because I was doing other shit. Damn it.
We have 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We have 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes. Oh no.
Ooh, I look like I got 2 black eyes. Oh my God, and then I went with the wrong color. It's all right, y'all. We about to fix that.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Oh my God. Okay, we got 1:48 seconds.
We have 1:48 seconds. I have no lashes on. That's my completed look.
Oh, bitch. The setting spray. Bitch! Ah! I mean the setting spray. The setting powder.
Don't try to say it all.
Look at me. Look
Look at me.
Quit.
Okay, and you said it lifts.
Okay, so for anyone who's going to be Team Jasmine, y'all remember, soon, I'm about to be getting volunteers to do their makeup. Y'all keep that in mind when y'all are choosing.
I don't give a damn.
Oh, God. Okay, 1 minute exactly. I've used everything, guys.
And I have 2. Motherfuckers. I'm gonna kill this look. And I didn't kill this look. There's your 5 stupid ass minute makeup.
I'm taking the setting powder off so I don't look a damn fool when that, because we got 33 seconds left, guys. Oh my God, look, I did not do no good blending.
Ever.
I look a fool. All right, last thing I gotta do in my 22 seconds. Highlight.
So good.
I don't know where my highlight brush is.
Ah, that's why you use your finger. Team Jade.
3, 2, 1.
Ew! I didn't even use any lipstick.
All right, so we're gonna get close on the camera, guys. Oh my God, Alex is gonna kill me. Okay. Bitch, we look hot, ugly messes. Okay, so, okay, cancel. Fuck. We get it. Time's up. Okay.
Look at me.
So, you look bad. I got 2 pink black eyes. This is ugly. Okay, so here's my makeup, guys. Y'all see that highlighter though? It's palm. Okay. Look at that though, y'all. Like, that was no blending. Okay. Well, this is the 5-minute challenge, y'all. So, here is our ending look. We look like some complete fools.
This doesn't even...
I just threw a color on. I was like, I don't give a fuck. So, guys, keep getting some close-ups. Y'all don't mind where I didn't blend.
I didn't do none of this.
Well, like I
But
said,
I can use this in a video. Why?
comment down below if you guys are Team Jasmine or Team Jade. Jasmine, Jade. Whose makeup is better? Y'all don't do me wrong. Okay. And until next time.
This is stupid and ugly.
Well.
Look at my eyes. What the fuck type blending is that?
Will you work with that? Look at me. Not cool. Okay, my lipstick isn't even all the way over. I look like I got tiny ass.
Brows is alright.
Not mine. So now that we've finished, like we said, if you're Team Jasmine or Team Jade, let us know. If you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Say no!
Okay, bye.
Baby, got all designer on me. That's on me, baby. Yeah, that's on me, baby. That's on me, baby.